Yes, folks, welcome to this 76-day message. The math exercise continues, the spiritual exercise continue. What is math? Math is spirit leading, math is spirit guiding. You see, that is what our people should be learning. It's exactly what our people should be learning. It's not about God, you know. Math is at the root of science. Math is at the root of technology. Math is at the root of law and order. Math is at the root of medicine. Math is at the root of every invention. Math is at the root of every investment. Math is at the root of every marketing exercise. Okay, you have to have a knowledge of math, which was instituted by our own ancestors before you can be able to progress in life. You see, everything happens for a reason. There is a reason why you're watching this very video today. I am Coach Emen. Okay, whoever sent you this video does not want you to perish either in debt, or perish either due to addiction, or perish due to depression, or perish due to poverty. Okay, so what you have to do is to make that very person proud today by connecting with your roots so that you can be able to bear good fruits on it. This is Coach Emen reaching you live today, being the 76th day in our journey. Let it do it for you. I don't know what arm, what angle, what section of our message that will reach you and will touch your heart for you to be able to say, wait a minute, something, something, the caravan, rare and unusual, is passing my way. Civilization is passing my way. It's either that I enter or at least I push it. Okay, so we hope that this very message today is going to do it. The fact is this, that so much has been hidden from us in our history books. Okay, the designs is that we continue to walk through life blindfolded, walk through life bound. But take stock of your life. If it is not moving so well, then you know you belong here. We are not here to condemn anybody. Okay, we are not here to, don't judge yourself so drastically. What else do we expect you to do? If you don't know any better, how would you do any better? Okay, but today you are going to judge yourself because your eyes is going to be opened and you're going to begin to ask yourself, wait a minute, I didn't even know that I was drunk all this while. You see, that is when your eyes open, so you begin to say, you begin to see, those things that makes you remain under influence. If it is the gin that you have been drinking, the wine that you have been drinking, you begin to remove it. Okay, whatever is disturbing you, you begin to remove it. But that can only be because of the presence of math, because of the presence of spirit. And we are bringing that very spirit back and asking you to go follow the link here today. Make that decision on this 76-day message. Make that decision. Follow the link below and connect the magic masters. MAAT. That is what we mean by magic, masters. MAAT. Okay. If you do not know any teacher that can lead you and show you exactly how Moses transformed a staff into a serpent and transformed that same serpent back into a staff, the hour is now. It is enough for you to be going under the entertainment mode. It is the time is now, the hour is now for you to make the decision to step away from the entertainment mode and go position yourself in the enlightenment mode and position yourself in the empowerment mode. Okay, you see, the beauty of being in the empowerment mode is so much that you begin to question, why is it me? What influence really overcome me? I've been busy building churches and temples here and there all over my land, but you see, with empowerment, you'll be busy building schools, building good roads, inventing things that serves a living, building hospitals. Okay, and that will be our joy. And not until we have done that, we have not succeeded. Okay, LTB Light does not stand alone. You are standing on a rock that has survived for so many years, but it is hidden. But today, we are gallantly bringing back your treasures, your greatest treasures into your hands. So do not fail us. So on this 76th day, make a vow, follow the link, and connect back with us. Connect back with your roots so that you can begin to bear good fruits on it. There's no two ways about it. Without math, you're not going anywhere. Okay? Listen, you will not be the first, you will not be the second, but you will be the third and the last. You will be called the third world. Okay, you will not be the enlightened world. You will be called the dark continent. Okay, and we don't want that to continue to happen. Okay, LTB like saying peace to you. Coach Emen saying peace to you. All the team members whose grace showers upon the earth as stars from above. Let them descend this day and speak to you and touch your heart and make you make the right decision. And anybody that would come before your way to make you not to make this decision today, that person has been crippled forever and ever. Okay, that person has been destroyed forever and ever. Let Mad lead the way. Let Mad have the last say. Thank you so much. See you again on the 77th day. Beware.